Hey guys, welcome to Tony the Yogi's Vegan Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make some cauliflower steak. First, we're going to break apart the greens from the florets of the cauliflower. Then, we chop the cauliflower right down the center. It's way easier to make these steaks from the center outward than vice versa. You're going to want to make sure to clean it up a bit. Now when cutting the steaks, you're going to want them about a half an inch to an inch thick. The thicker the better. Oh yeah, right there, that looks just about perfect. Now, we're going to add some coconut oil. Today, I'm using a cast iron. When using a cast iron, you want to make sure to preheat it before placing the cauliflower steaks on. Now we're going to add a little bit of salt and some pepper. Leave it real simple for today. You're only going to want to cook them for about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how rare you like your cauliflower. Now, when you flip them, you want to be gentle, because they can fall apart pretty easily. Oh yeah, that was good. It's coming up pretty well. Now you want to poke them, check the tenderness of them, and they all seem pretty good. So there you have it. That's how you make cauliflower steak. A healthy, easy, simple dish. Harmless to any animals. Let's give it a try. Yep, perfect. If you've enjoyed my video today, please click subscribe below. Thank you for joining me at Tony the Yogi's Vegan Kitchen. Sat Nam.